1.6 In a class of their own. Warming up. An opinion poll. Use any one of the topics given below to carry out a quick opinion poll. For your opinion poll, talk to any 5 of your friends. Note down their responses. Agree, disagree, not sure. Form 3 groups, 1 for each topic. Discuss the findings of your opinion poll in the groups. Each group should select a group leader to put together the findings and to make a presentation to the class. Follow the presentations with a discussion on the most important characteristic of a good friend, a good student, and a good teacher. You may also consider characteristics not mentioned in the tables below. What makes a good friend? Characteristics. A good friend shows you the answer sheets at the time of exam. Disagree. A good friend points it out when you're doing something wrong. Agree. A good friend sides with you in all fights and quarrels. Not sure. A good friend keeps a secret. Agree. A good friend tells you all the gossip. Disagree. What makes a good friend? Characteristics. A good friend keeps quiet in the classroom all the time. Disagree. A good friend often brings gifts for the teacher. Disagree. A good friend takes efforts to learn something on his or her own. Agree. A good friend is punctual and regular. Agree. A good friend learns all answers by heart. Disagree. A good friend participates in all classroom activities. Agree. A good teacher provides ready-made answers. Disagree. A good teacher is friendly with all the students. Agree. A good teacher brings in a lot of fun and humor in the classroom. Agree. A good teacher gives challenging tasks and makes the students work on them. Agree. A good teacher understands students' problems. Agree. Words. Camps. A camp is a group of people who think alike. Facing others. Talking to others or meeting them when they are likely to scold you or punish you. Tell tales. Talk to other people about someone's faults, mistakes, secrets, etc. Shabby. Untidy. Unity. When there is unity among a group of people, they stay together, work together, etc. without fights or quarrels.